Steel is most definitely real according to plenty of current bike manufacturers, which is why we've made this video of the best steel gravel bikes. Number 1. Best overall, Boardman ADV 9.0 Men's Steel Gravel Bike. This Boardman ADV 9.0 gravel bike is an impressively light machine for the price and really is a go-anywhere machine. It achieves its low weight through the use of a C10 carbon fiber frame, which is also stiff and high responsive, with our testers finding it gave the bike a thrilling feel off-road and fast acceleration on the tarmac. Boardman had spec'd the bike with a clever mix of Shimano GRX components and a generous range from the 46x30 crankset and the 11-32T scalping you up the toughest climbs. Panaracer Gravel King SK tires provide grip off-road but are fast-rolling too. Number 2. Norco Surge XR S1 Steel Gravel Bike. Whether you're after a backcountry adventure or a generally gravel race, the Norco Surge XR S1 is a great steel-framed gravel bike option. It comes with numerous mounting points so you can kit it out however you like, bar bags, frame bags, etc. The Reynolds 725 chromely steel gives the bike a great ride quality, while the carbon fiber forks reduces vibration through the front wheel. It comes equipped with a 2x Shimano GRX drivetrain, but there is the option to run a 1x system instead. Usually for a gravel bike, it also comes with a dropper post. Number 3. Cannondale Topstone Neo Carbon 1 Lefty Steel Gravel Bike. The Cannondale Topstone Carbon Lefty 1 gravel bike will help you tackle terrain that is beyond the reach of many gravel bikes. It has class-leading control across different surfaces thanks to the Lefty front fork, which provides 30mm of travel to help smooth out any bumps and geometry that leads to a quick but stable ride. The wheels have carbon rims, and the front wheel has a sensor developed in conjunction with German that will measure speed, time and distance. Overall, this Topstone is one of the most capable gravel bikes Bike Raider has ever tested. Number 4. Co-op Cycles ADV 1.1 Steel Gravel Bike. The Co-op Cycles ADV 1.1 might be a steel touring bike, but it gets a place on our list due to its versatility. It's perfect for bike packing as well as long rides thanks to the multiple racks already secured to the bike. They allow you to pack plenty of bags suitable for your journey. In addition, the gear choices available allow for ultra-low gathering, which makes climbing hills far easier. Tektro hydraulic discs provide powerful braking on this gravel touring bike, and 38mm tires are suitable wide for both gravel and asphalt riding. Number 5. Marin Nicasio Ridge 650B Steel Gravel Bike. The Marin Nicasio Ridge combines super fast road geometry with the ride quality and components of an off-road beast. It features hydraulic brakes and wide knobbly tires, so you can tackle anything from asphalt to single track. It also comes with a dropper post, something that is more commonly seen on mountain bikes, which helps lower your center of gravity and get a better position on descents. Paired with a 1x11 drivetrain, this bike is similar to a steel mountain bike but with the geometry of a road bike. It comes in a choice of two wheel sizes, 700C and 650B. Steel bikes can often produce better ride quality, with the absorption of bumps more noticeable, which is especially important on gravel bikes. Hope this video will help you to choose your desired bike.
Thanks for watching the video.